Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to allow third-party companies to use your content to train AI models on your YouTube channel. So YouTube updates announced that it will give creators more choice over how third parties can use their content to train their AI models. Creators and right holders will be able to plug for YouTube if they're permitting specific third-party AI companies to train models on the creator's content. So, yan yung bagong update ngayon mga kaibigans. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is to open up on your YouTube Studio. So, open lang natin yan. And then dito sa ating channel dashboard ay makikita mo dito yung bagong update na you can now choose if you want to allow third-party companies to use your content to train AI models in YouTube Studio. So ito naman guys ay hindi naman tayo nire-require ni YouTube na i-allow natin. So as creators, it's up to you kung gusto mong i-allow yung third-party training AI models from a different companies. So nasa sayo yan, if you want or not, it's okay lang po. Kung gusto mong i-allow kung paano ba natin gawin yan, so dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings and select mo lang dito yung channel. And then dito ay makikita mo sa right side yung basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. And then iselect mo lang dito yung advanced settings. And next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and locate natin dito yung third-party trainings. So scroll down and then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung third-party training and then allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. Kung gusto mo itong i-allow, i-check mo lang tong box. And remember, mayroon ditong informations na kailangan mong basahin or i-consider. If you select these options, YouTube may share your videos with a third-party company provided that you and all other applicable rights holder have chosen to allow that company. The training permissions status of all videos will be available through a publicly accessible interface. Alright, and then may dalawang option dito na pwede mong i-select. So, meron ditong selected third-party companies only. Kung mag-select ka lang, kung iisang company lang yung gusto mong mag-allow ng AI training third-party, or kung gusto mong all third-party companies na mag-train sa iyong channel. So, i-select mo lang dito. So, for example, i-select mo lang dito yung selected third-party companies. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, may option dito. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And makikita mo na dito yung lahat ng companies na pwedeng mag-train as AI models. So meron ditong A121 Labs, Adobe, Amazon, Anthropic, Apple, ByteDance, Cohere, IBM, Meta, Microsoft, Midjourney, Nvidia, OpenAI, Perplexity, Pika Labs, Runway, Stability AI, and then XAI. So, select ka lang dito sa option na to kung anong company yung gusto mong mag-train ng AI model. So, for example, mga kaibigan, so select lang natin dito yung Runway and then click mo lang dito yung done. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung save. Okay, click mo lang yan. And kung ayaw mo naman ng selected third-party companies only, so pwede mong i-select dito yung all third-party companies. So, i-click mo lang yan. And same procedure, i-click mo lang dito yung save. And guys, just to be clear, the default settings for this is off, meaning that if you don't want to let third-party companies scrape your videos for AI training, you don't have to do anything. So, kung ayaw mo, it's okay lang po. Kung gusto mo, siselect mo lang dito kung anong companies yung mag-train ng AI models. And other details naman dito na pwede natin i-consider. So, the applicable rights holders on the video allow third-party training. So, video privacy setting is public. Video complies with YouTube's. And what it means to allow third-party training, if you choose to turn on the third-party training setting, it means you select from a list of third-party companies to allow or choose to allow all third-party companies. You're allowing the selected third-party companies to use your content for purposes of training AI models they're building. For creators using YouTube Studio, your content includes all eligible videos uploaded to your channel. And for rights holders using YouTube Studio Content Manager, your content includes all eligible claim videos and videos in your link channel. So videos training permissions status will be available by video ID on publicly accessible interface and YouTube Data API. Ayan mga kaibigan. So yan po yung bagong update ngayon ni YouTube. Kung gusto mong i-allow yung AI models as training third-party companies. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-allow yung third-party companies to use your content to train AI models. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.